Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here. Today we've got a very special painting. We are going to draw the Easter Bunny sitting in a basket. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I know at school I usually work with paint on canvas, but I know a lot of you are stuck at home, so I want you to work with whatever you have at home. Today I am working with Sharpie on paper, and I wouldn't recommend that you guys start with Sharpie. I would recommend that you guys start with pencil and eraser just in case you make some mistakes. So the first thing I'm gonna do for my Easter Bunny sitting in a basket is I'm gonna do the face. Now the face is going to be a circle, but I'm not gonna do the whole circle just yet. So I'm gonna draw most of a circle. I'm just gonna leave a little opening right here at the top because I need to draw two big bunny ears. So to make your bunny ears, you're gonna go like this. Big bunny ear. Big bunny ear, and then you can finish your circle like that. So after you have your two big bunny ears, I'm gonna do the little pinky middle of my bunny ear. So I'm just gonna go like this. So it's just like, I like a pinky middle. Whenever I do furry animals, I always like to put a pink middle in their ears. So just like that. There's our bunny's ears. And the next thing I do for my bunny is I like to do the bunny's little snout down here like this. So just like a curve, it's at the very bottom of the circle. And then bunnies have a little triangle nose. It's teeny tiny. So just like a little upside down triangle, just like that. And then I'm gonna do the cute little swoopy, whoopy mouth. And another thing that bunnies have, if you want to add these, you can. If you don't want to, that's fine too. But sometimes when I'm drawing bunnies, I like to put a couple little whiskers on there too. The bunnies have whiskers. The next thing I'm going to do, so after you have your ears and you have your face and you have your nose and your mouth, we're only missing the eyes. So I'm going to draw two really big eyes. And these eyes are going to be like a color. I think on my example, I made them blue eyes. So I'm going to put a little black middle. This is gonna be black, but I'm gonna leave a couple of sparkles. I'm gonna show you. Do little sparkles and color in this middle donut most of the way, but I'm gonna leave some little sparkles showing, like that. And then if you guys, I know some of my friends like to add their little eyelashes, so if you wanna add little eyelashes, or if you wanna add a little flower, a bow to the head, you can. So you can have, you know, like a little, maybe mine will have a little bow on its head. That's kinda cute. And just a little bow. But you don't have to. You can leave your head just like this with nothing on top. All right, so the bunny painting that I have is the bunny peering out of an Easter basket. So to make her look like she's peeking over the edge of that basket, we need to give her two paws, and her head is resting on those paws. So they're kind of like two curves, but they're kind of like tucked behind her cheeks a little bit, like that. And then to make her paws, whenever I make animal paws, I always give them three little toes. So it's like this. It's like swoop, swoop, swoop. So those are gonna be her two little paws that are peeking over the edge of the Easter basket. So now we're ready for our Easter basket. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw a line. And then I'm not gonna see the line here because her head's kind of hanging over the edge. And I'm gonna draw another line like this, like that. And then everybody's Easter baskets are different shapes. So you can make yours curved like this, but I'm gonna make mine more square. It might be a little curved at the bottom and then go up like this. And then baskets a lot of times will have like an edge that has fabric on it. So at least Easter baskets a lot of times, they'll have some fabric. So I'm gonna do some little swoops. I might even do another row of swoops like this. Just a little decoration. So it's like there's some really soft fabric that she's sitting in the middle of her basket. And then baskets a lot of times are woven. So it's gonna almost look like a checkerboard, like this. So I might put some lines going this way. And then I will put some lines going this way as well. So it looks like it's a basket. And then in my example, I also had some Easter eggs on the ground. That's optional. So if you want to put some little Easter eggs kind of like peeking out here, or maybe there's going to be one on the ground here. If you want to put like a couple little eggs here and there. There's one small one in the distance. If you want to put little Easter eggs, and you could even decorate your eggs. So if you want to decorate your eggs, make them like really pretty like this. Maybe there's like a striped one. Maybe there's one that has little polka dots. So you can put little Easter eggs here and there, wherever you want. Well, if I decorate those two, I have to decorate this one. So maybe I'll do this one like this, and then maybe do like a zigzag pattern. Yeah, that's good. Maybe two more. I go crazy decorating my Easter eggs. All right, so after we have that, we need to make sure our bunny's basket is sitting in the grass. I don't want it to be falling, so I'm gonna put a little hint that there's like a grassy hill back here behind the basket and the eggs. And a basket isn't a basket without a handle. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a really tall handle on my basket. Now, when you are putting the second line to your handle, because right now it looks like a string, we need it to look like a handle you can grab onto. So I'm gonna go like this, but you need to be really careful because you're gonna run into your bunny's ear. And so I want you to stop at your bunny's ear, start on the other side, stop at the bunny's ear, start on the other side, and go all the way back down into your basket. So there you have it. There is our, oh, you know what? Another thing we can put in here. This is optional, but I'm looking at mine thinking if you want to put a little hint at the Easter Bunny's body, you can put like just a couple little curves to make it look like she's hunched over. I don't have that in my painting, but if you want to, you can make it look like her head and you see a little bit of her body or her little arms, and then you see your paws. So when you get to this point, you are done with the drawing. You guys can color this any way that you want. One thing that I always do on this one is I always like to make my bunny's ears like pink in the middle. And I also always like to give my bunny a little pink nose like that. And the rest of this can be any colors that you want. The sky could be blue. You can put a little sun in the sky if you want it to be a beautiful sunny day. You can put some white clouds in there. You can color your bunny. Your bunny doesn't have to be a white bunny. It could be any color that you want. You can color the eyes. Like a lot of times I'll put blue eyes on bunnies. Like that. And your basket could be any colors that you want. So really have fun, be creative, use lots of colors, and this will be a beautiful decoration for you guys to put up at home for Easter. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember that we will be posting new drawing videos every day at 1 p.m. until we go back to school. So there will probably be at least a couple more weeks of daily drawing videos with Miss Kate, and I hope to draw with you again tomorrow.
Okay, bye!